I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. Charge the Arctis 9X for at least 30 minutes so battery won't interrupt the reset. Once done, disable nearby Bluetooth sources and the console's wireless to prevent accidental pairing. Now, press and hold the power and Bluetooth buttons together. You'll see the LED blink rapidly. This forces pairing mode and is the first actionable reset step. You do this because forcing pairing clears temporary links and prepares the headset for the factory reset sequence. Next, you trigger the actual factory reset. While the headset is in pairing mode, press and hold volume up and the mic mute button simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure you listen for confirmation tone or watch for alternating LED behavior. That feedback indicates the device started restoring defaults. Once you hear or see confirmation, release the buttons and allow the headset to power cycle. This clears saved pairings and settings so you can rebuild a clean Bluetooth profile. Finally, you repair and verify functionality. Turn Bluetooth or the Xbox wireless radio back on, then pair the Arctis 9X as a fresh device. Test audio, microphone, and sidetone levels. Make sure you update firmware via SteelSeries GG when possible so bugs are resolved. If you still have problems, try plugging in a cable to confirm hardware works, or fully drain the headset battery for 10 minutes then repeat the reset. This power drain trick often clears persistent state issues that a normal reset misses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.